Welcome back to Day 33. Today we'll be talking about correlation and association. We'll begin with association. If you've got two numerical variables, you can talk about the trend. The two variables are positively associated if high values of one variable are connected with high values of the other variable. And similarly, low values of the first variable relate to low values of the second variable. That's called positive association. We can also talk about negative association if high values of one variable correspond to low values of the other variable. When you look at numerical variables, it's helpful to look for a pattern. Plotting the scatter plot of some observations can help you discern this pattern. Sometimes that pattern is linear or nearly linear, and sometimes it's nonlinear, like quadratic or cubic. We recommend first visualizing the data using a scatter plot and then trying to quantify the trend that you see. Let's have a look at a demo to visualize association. We'll do that by going to our demonstration for Day 33. And as usual, we'll start by importing all of the various libraries. Here's a function that we may or may not use later. We can run that. Now we're going to start with talking about hybrid cars. Let's look at some data associated to cars. And first, we load in this table, and we get this very nice data here. You can see the year of the car, the sale price of the car, at least the sticker price of the car. You can see its acceleration. I'm not totally sure what that units are there. The mileage per gallon, and the class of the car, whether it's a compact or a minivan, etc. You could sort the data by sticker price in descending order. You can see that here's a Lexus hybrid from 2007, and it was selling for nearly $120,000. Here's a scatter plot of the price versus the mileage. And here we see a negative association. As the mileage goes up, the price seems to drop, right? And similarly, when the mileage is down, the price seems high. This is a negatively associated kind of pair of variables. You might find this kind of surprising. You might think, hey, aren't people buying hybrid cars in order to get good mileage? Then how come really high mileage cars seem to have a lower sticker price than cars with low miles per gallon? That seems kind of counterintuitive. But if you plot acceleration versus sticker price, you see a different kind of plot. The two variables are positively associated. Here, higher acceleration corresponds with higher sticker price, lower acceleration with lower sticker price. That's the explanation. Price and acceleration have a positive association, and car buyers tend to want fast cars, cars that accelerate fast. Those cars have bigger engines, and that tends to make them heavier. In turn, that means that expensive cars get poor mileage because they've got really big engines and way more. Well, that's the explanation. In the next section, we'll be looking at how to compute a kind of variable that measures the association called correlation coefficient.